Okay, today we have our Gen 3 G26. Okay, we're going to install the Recover GR26. It's a rail system for the for Gen 3s. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to make the firearm safe. We're going to drop the mag, set that aside. I'm going to cycle the firearm 3 times. Make sure it's clear. Drop the hammer. Okay, so we've got a safe firearm. Now we're going to unbox the GR26. Okay, so not until Gen 4 did the Glock include a rail system from the factory. Okay, so if you have Gen 3 and you want to add an accessory like a flashlight or a laser, you're going to need to add a rail system. Okay, so the GR26, we're going to take a look at that. Covered Tactical got some instructions. If you need some installation assistance, set that aside. The kit comes with the installation screws, the mounting screws, and also an Allen wrench, which you'll need. So you got your 2 halves. You sandwich them. Alright, so once you've got them in, just want to snug them down. Don't use a lot of pressure. Matter of fact, I wouldn't even recommend using the long end to torque them down. I just use the short end. Okay, for your leverage point. That's it, just like that. Okay, if you want to make sure they don't back out, if you want to leave this on here more of a, like a quasi-permanent, you could put a little bit of Loctite solution on these, like a 620. Okay, yeah, so that's it. The install is complete and it looks really, really good. Okay, the finish, I mean, you can see here, look at this. Gonna get a close-up view. You virtually, as far as the seam, it's virtually non-existent. This looks very factory. We've got a little bit of extra plastic here from the mold, but you know what, if you want to make this perfect, you can just take a little sandpaper or very fine file and just shave that off. Okay, it doesn't really bother me too much. But I mean, I would clean that up, frankly. All right, so it looks good. It's a good looking addition to this firearm. All right, so now that we have the GR26 Recover rail system on our Gen 3 G26, we've come to the point of why we put this rail system on here in the first place. Okay, reason why we do this is so we can add accessories like a flashlight, okay, or a laser, okay, or something else. Okay, so what we're going to do for demonstration purposes is we're going to do the install the Tacticon armament laser system on the front here. I'm not going to install the batteries. It's a brand new kit. We're just going to install the laser so you can see how that works out. Set that stuff aside. Just loosen up the mounting screw. Okay. We've got the laser light. We've got the on and off button here. Want to make sure that that's facing rearward. So it literally just snaps onto the rail. That's it. Okay, now we'll tighten up the mounting screw. That's it. Don't over tighten it. That's it. Installation complete. If you want this a little bit more streamlined, you can remove the lower rail. Okay, they give you the option, which is really one of the cool things about. I'm not doing a review right now on the Tacticon Armament laser site. Did a separate review and install on that. But I just want to show you how streamlined this looks with the GR26 rail system. Okay, that's it. Looks great. Boom, on, off. Very easy to access. Looks really good on the Firearm. Okay. If you're looking for a rail system or a rail for accessories for your Gen 3 G26, lasers, flashlights, things of that nature, yeah, so go out and get you one. They're very reasonably priced, and you will not be unsatisfied, or you will not be unhappy with your purchase. Again, the fit and the finish is phenomenal. Okay, phenomenal. Really, really, really like it a lot. Okay, 5-star rating all the way. All right. Well, that's it for us for now. And stay safe out there. Enjoy your shooting. And if you have any questions or comments, please post them. And if you felt that this video was helpful, we would appreciate you hitting that subscribe button as well. All right, well, have a great day. Take care.